common thing.
Get my phone.
So I'll show you. Now,
She
this
wants to
man,
record it.
do you see the heels? Everybody wants to see the miracle. Look at the heels. Do you see the heels? Now you're sitting straight. Yeah. And I haven't paid you. It's all real deal. Can you see the heels, man? Look, come and look at the heels.
Yeah, you go
Do you
on
see
this
that?
side.
Yeah, go on this side.
Go to this side. You see
Because
better.
this will build your faith.
Yeah.
This will build your faith. You're kind of in the way there. Can you duck that? All right. So everybody sees that heel. That's a good inch difference, isn't it, on the heel? Yeah. So, brother, what's your name again?
Russell.
Russell. All right. So watch, Russell. Relax. The same now.
Yeah.
Same now.
Yeah.
Now, Russell, you had pain about 4 in your back, in the lower back, right? So you stand up, check it out now, look for it. Look for that, in the lower back, move it around. You don't have any pain?
It's bad. It's bad.
Do you have any pain at all?
It's a little right here. On
A
the
little
left.
bit, like
Not
what's
like it was.
Not like it was.
Mhm.
A little bit.
Okay.
Right here? Okay. Thank you, Father, for what you've done for Russell. You 100%. Every muscle, tendon, ligament, nerve, be healed now. Vertebrae line up now. New discs right now. All the rest of that pain, get out now, all of it. Everything loosen up. So Russell, look for that pain again.
It's just a tingling going in my leg.
A tingling?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not, you don't usually feel a tingling? That's the Holy Spirit moving on you.
Yeah.
Do you have any in the back, any pain?
No, I don't have any.
No
No pain.
Wow, wonderful.
Okay,
Praise
you
the
have some kind of
Lord.
upper back problem. Can you find any pain there, or is that gone too?
Well, I don't know until I lay down or up against something or something
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
No.
But you got something else with the neck, you were
Yes,
saying?
my neck. Yes.
So what about the neck?
I had a crack bone in my neck and it's arthritis and stuff and I got
So is it stiff?
bone. It just fluctuate down my shoulders, down to my shoulders.
Do you have any pain today?
No, well, it's popping and stuff like that. But
So we'll just, if you could get healed right now, if you got healed, would you know the difference?
like I said,
Not sure.
sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's not
Okay.
bad.
Well, we'll just pray that whatever it takes all week for you to figure it out, you just figure out, oh, it's gone.
Mhm, yeah.
All right. Heavenly Father, I thank you for Brother Russell. Oh, Lord, I know how much you love him and you don't want him to have this problem, this pain. I speak to every muscle, tendon, ligament, and nerve in his neck and his back. And I command everything to line up right now. New vertebrae, new discs, now. All nerves, be loosed right now.
Mhm.
All tightness, all arthritis, leave now in the name of Jesus. All of it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus.
Full range of motion be restored now.
Mhm.
Okay, brother. So, like you said, you may not know, but move your head around.
It's still popping and stuff. Like
Popping?
Mhm.
Okay. So, his neck's popping right now.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to tell it stop popping. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Right now, all that popping, stop now.
Yeah.
All of it. Okay. You try to make it pop.
that. It's still popping a
Yeah.
little
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Is it any different?
It's better.
It's better? Thank you, Father, for what you're doing. All the rest of that
Okay.
clicking, that popping, stop now. Everything loosen up right now. You're free. Go ahead, Coach.
It's still popping.
No.
Okay, we're just gonna bleed by the end of today.
Yeah.
It feels better? Feels
Yeah.
better? Yeah, by the end
Yeah.
of today, you're not gonna have the popping, okay?
Yeah.